Welcome back to my channel. This is Show ということで、はい、南ウォーターフォールにやってきたんですけど、まあちょっと天気があまり今日は良くないということで、はい、雨なんか降ってきたら最悪なんですけど、まあ雨が降らないことを祈りつつ、500のステップスをね、下っていきたいと思います。I'm on the way to the waterfall, and I didn't count how many steps I already went down, but each steps is kind of huge. That makes me very exhausted, but I'm okay so far. But hopefully it's not gonna be very huge between the stairs and the stairs, because wait, look at it. Look at the steps. It's kind of huge, right? It's gonna be really exhausting for sure. Yeah, but the beautiful views, I can take it. I can take the beautiful views from here on the way to downfall and on the way to waterfall. So I don't mind it a lot, but it's very hectic exercise. I would say that. Go ahead. Look at that. Wait. God. I mean, I don't know. My legs are kind of shaking. Is it because I kind of feel scared to go downstairs, or is it because a little bit cold right now? But oh my god, the steps are getting bigger and bigger, which gives me kind of a lot of fears. Okay, I made it here. Yeah, this is the that's so huge, man. And this is just the path I have to go. I gotta be careful because it was slippery. Definitely. Okay. Okay. Wow. This is the most path going to the waterfall. Not gonna lie, I hope you guys can hear me because it started raining and also I'm approaching to the waterfall, and the waterfall is fucking huge. And I don't have any like additional clothes. Oh my god, it's so huge. And this is definitely the waterfall I've ever seen, and which is so huge. It's the biggest one. This is crazy. Too crazy. I don't really care about how much I drink the water. This is the craziest, awesome waterfall I ever visited. Pretty nice. But this is crazy. I don't know how many times I say crazy to this waterfall, but yeah, this is insane. Look at this view again. What, right? And yeah, I got wet a lot. Guys, look at it. This could be the last steps. It's been a while since I last been out of breath like this. This was pretty nice exercise. For real. That was amazing.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again. To set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
There you go. So so that could be more easier, presumably, if it didn't rain. But it was a nice experience. Either way, it was raining or not. So, made it. I made it here. Okay.